Have you ever wondered how we know if AI is truly helping with real research? Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking study that's redefining how we test AI's ability to tackle complex scientific problems. This isn't just about code or chatbots. It's about creating a benchmark to measure how well AI can mimic human researchers. Let's start with a big picture. Researchers developed something called DeepResearch Bench, a test bed to evaluate AI agents on tasks that mirror real-world research challenges. Think of it like a standardized exam for AI, except instead of math problems, these agents have to analyze data, write reports, and even cite sources correctly. But here's the twist. They didn't just create a random test. They worked with PhD experts to design 100 tasks that reflect the messy, nuanced work of actual scientists. Imagine an AI researcher tasked with answering a question like, how does climate change affect coastal ecosystems? It can't just spit out a quick answer. It has to dig through scientific papers, identify key studies, synthesize conflicting findings, and present a balanced report. That's what DeepResearch Bench is all about, pushing AI to think like a real researcher, not just a knowledge dispenser. But how do you even grade an AI's research? That's where two new evaluation tools come in, RACE and FACT. RACE acts like a super smart teacher. It compares an AI's report to a gold standard reference, adjusting its grading criteria based on the task. Want to know if the AI missed key details? RACE spots it. FACT, on the other hand, is like a fact checker on steroids. It verifies if the AI's claims are backed by real sources, counting citations and checking if those sources actually support the claims. The results? Some AI models aced the test while others stumbled, revealing where AI still needs work. But here's the kicker. This isn't just about pointing out flaws. By open sourcing DeepResearch Bench and these frameworks, researchers worldwide can now build better AI assistants. Imagine an AI that turns hours of research into minutes, without sacrificing accuracy. And the surprises didn't stop there. The top-performing AI, Gemini-2.5-Pro, crushed tasks with its ability to gather comprehensive sources. But another model, OpenAI's DeepResearch, actually outperformed it in following instructions. Meanwhile, general-purpose AIs like Claude-3.7-Sonnet surprised everyone by excelling in multi-step web searches. It's a reminder that no single AI is perfect. Each has its own strengths, and the best results come from using the right tool for the job. So why does this matter? Well, as AI becomes more integrated into our lives, helping doctors diagnose diseases, aiding scientists in breakthroughs, or even writing stories, we need reliable ways to ensure these systems are actually helpful. DeepResearch Bench is a step toward that future, where AI isn't just smart, but practically useful. But how exactly do researchers set up these tests to ensure fairness and accuracy? Let's break down the technical framework behind DeepResearch Bench. First, they established benchmarking parameters to create a level playing field. Think of this as setting up a standardized lab for experiments. Every AI model had to work with the same equipment, so performance comparisons were fair. Here is how they did it. 1. Thinking budget. They allocated a high processing limit, like giving a calculator 16,000 digits to work with, so the model wasn't constrained by weak hardware. 2. Search context. To help the AI dig deep, they maxed out the amount of information it could pull from the web. It's like giving a detective the entire library of clues, instead of just a few pages. 3. Search iterations. They limited the AI to 5 search turns, kind of like a timer in a quiz show. This kept the test focused on depth, not just how many times the model could look things up. 4. Output length. They set a cap on answer length to ensure consistency. If one model could write a novel and another a tweet, it'd be unfair. 5. Citations. Finally, they standardized citation formats. Think of it as making sure all textbook footnotes follow the same style, so fact-checking is a breeze. These setups aren't just about fairness, they're about pushing AI to tackle real-world research. By controlling variables, scientists can see which models excel at complex problem-solving, not just memorization. Now, let's talk about the tools researchers use to evaluate these models. Picture this. You've got 2 research articles on the same topic, and you need to rate them. How do you decide which is better? The answer lies in prompt templates, special instructions that help humans, or even other AIs, assess quality systematically. First, there's the clean article prompt. It's like a digital editor that strips away citations and footnotes, leaving just the core content. This makes it easier to focus on the actual ideas without distractions. Then there's the dynamic dimension weight prompt. This is where the magic happens. Researchers don't just rate articles on goodness, they break it down into 4 categories. 1. Comprehensiveness. Did the article cover all the bases? 2. Insight. Did it offer new perspectives? 3. Clarity. Was the writing clear and logical? And 4. Relevance. Did it address the core question? By weighting these dimensions, evaluators can pinpoint strengths and weaknesses. For example, an AI might ace comprehensiveness but struggle with insight, revealing where it needs improvement. This isn't just academic jargon, it's the foundation of a new era in AI research. With tools like DeepResearch Bench, we're moving beyond flashy demos to systems that can genuinely contribute to scientific progress. The next time you see an AI researcher in the news, remember, it's not just about raw power. It's about precision, adaptability, and the ability to think like a human. So the next time you wonder if AI is truly helpful, ask yourself, is it solving real problems or just echoing what it's been trained on? The answer lies in benchmarks like this, and the relentless pursuit of better, more reliable AI. Thanks for watching and stay curious.